Hi, so today I'm Boy 14 here with another review. But today I have something much better. I have got a new leatherman. So this is my old one, obviously, my leatherman squirt. And yesterday I got two other new things. I got this to sharpen my knife, or I got it in the fishing shop. You use it to sharpen your hooks, but sorry if I sound bunged up. Yeah, but sharpen your hooks. But the man said you could also use it as to sharpen your knife. But now I've got a new leatherman. It's got an awesome blade, much different to the blade on this. So this doesn't go down as much. So like this one, look. So I'm just gonna show you what the tools have on this. So just shuttle them down. But it is stiff because it's new. Crap. But alright, because this one is easy. But all the tools are much stiffer on this. Because on my other one, but this is easier to close. I'm not sure why. Probably because it's older. But I'm going to show you the difference between the knife. So that's the knife on that. The knives are completely different. This is a bigger, better... Sorry, I can't talk properly. I'm just going to go over here so it's lighter, so you can see. Okay, sorry. Actually, I might just quickly pop a top on. Alright, I don't support David Beckham's team. I don't know what team he plays for. I'm going to cricket. Alright, so this is the knife on this. Quite scary. Yep, it goes down a lot more than this one. And this is bigger, obviously. If you compare it, it's much, much, much bigger. I haven't got used to holding it, but the best part is it says greys on it, and that's my set. Well, grey, not greys, but anyway. And this has a saw. Pretty cool looking nail file, I have to say. So you got the knife. This comes with, if you know what that is, this tool here is, post that in the comments below. Also, can opener, which I'm excited about. Haven't used it yet, haven't got a chance to use it. Now, good big flathead Phillips. And what I find good is that the flathead isn't on the bottle opener. That means it can be stronger and cut further, which I think is good. And what I really, really, really love about this tool is it's got a Phillips head. This leatherman does not have a Phillips head, but the only I'm going to go into the bad things about it. And bottle opener. And not forget to mention the pliers. Now these pliers, like, this is like, this is this is like the old make of Leathermans, so you can't really complain about the pliers look different, because the pliers do look different. But at least these go in more than these. And it's much bigger, looks, whoa, scary. And I can shut this two-handed, no, one-handed, sorry. With this I can't. Yeah, and wire cutters are awesome. The saw works. I have to do about 10 strokes with this saw to cut about that thick branch. I'm not even lying. I'm not lying, so yeah, this is my leatherman, and this sharpens leather. I'm just gonna quickly show you that. But I like the spring-loaded action pliers rather than just the clickety-click thing here. This here, yeah, clickety-click thing. It's a bit weird. Clickety-click. But it is really stiff. So you just get it here, and get the knife, you get the point, and just strike it down. That's all you have to do. Then you're done. I think that this blade is sharper than this die. I'm not sure why, but I think it is. I'm not sure. If any of you wanted to hear what this sounds like, or when the chefs do like that, if you know what it sounds like. There you go. And it's stainless steel. This is not stainless steel. Like you can see, I've got wax on it when I was using this for what's it called? When I was making some skate wax, well, it didn't really work out. Sorry, you might not want to hear this. Oh, hang on. So just take a look at this. Ooh. I'm just going to fix it on your nose. Don't really want to watch this on your nose. Okay, shots. I'm back. So yeah, this is my new Leatherman. It's pretty awesome. I think it's better than this one. Not better. It's got more supplies. But the only downside about this, there's only one bad thing about this. Not bad, just I'd like to improve. I'd like them to improve it. Just maybe a key ring on it would be better. I think that'd be good. Yeah. And so, but this is lighter though. I'm not sure why, but this is lighter than this. I don't know why. Yeah, don't know why, but it is. So thanks for watching. If you like this, then please like and comment. Don't have to subscribe. I don't have any subscribers, so you don't have to subscribe if you want to. But yeah, so you look on my channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.